Prepare to be amazed by the rambutan, a truly unique fruit that, with its vibrant color and unusual texture, looks like it crash-landed straight from another planet. It's an otherworldly experience for your taste buds. Its most striking feature is undoubtedly its wild, punk rock hair, a vibrant display that immediately grabs your attention. It has a mischievous vibe, almost daring you to take a closer look and discover its secrets. The name rambutan comes from the Malay word for hair, a perfectly fitting description for its distinctive appearance. And those soft, flexible spines, which might look intimidating at first glance, are more for show than any real threat. They're surprisingly gentle to the touch. Rambutan is a close cousin to the lychee, sharing a similar translucent flesh and sweet flavor profile. And the longan, all members of the soapberry family, each with their unique characteristics. But among its relatives, the rambutan is definitely the family rebel, the one that stands out from the crowd. It's spiky and bold on the outside, a visual feast that hints at the deliciousness within. Yet it's incredibly sweet and satisfying on the inside, offering a delightful contrast. Originally native to the lush landscapes of Malaysia and the tropical paradise of Indonesia, it thrives in warm, humid climates. The rambutan is a true tropical gem, a precious gift from nature. It dares you to peel back its vibrant, somewhat intimidating shell, revealing the treasure hidden within. Don't be afraid of its wild exterior, it's all part of the rambutan's unique charm. Inside, you'll discover juicy, almost translucent flesh with a delicate, fragrant aroma. Tasting it is a reward for your curiosity, a burst of tropical sweetness that will leave you wanting more. Trying rambutan for the first time is a delicious reminder that the most interesting things often come in unexpected packages. Don't judge a fruit by its cover or its hair. A flavorful adventure and a burst of unexpected sweetness await those who dare to try it. Once you taste it and experience its unique flavor, you'll want to tell everyone you know about this extraordinary fruit. You'll want to share the story about the day you conquered the hairy fruit and discovered its delightful secret. The rambutan tree, a true spectacle of the tropics, is a striking evergreen. Its presence commands attention, a testament to nature's artistry. Reaching for the sky, it can grow up to an impressive 20 meters tall, forming a majestic canopy that provides shade and shelter to the life below. The tree is adorned with lush, feathery leaves, a vibrant green tapestry that dances in the tropical breeze. These leaves are essential for the tree's survival, capturing sunlight and converting it into energy. And when the time is right, it bursts into a display of fragrant clustered flowers, attracting pollinators from far and wide with their sweet aroma. The fruit itself grows in bunches like little jewels hanging from the branches, promising a taste of tropical delight. Each fruit is encased in a leathery skin, its color ranging from a vibrant fiery red to a sunny cheerful yellow, depending on the variety. The skin is covered in soft, hair-like spines, giving the fruit a unique and somewhat whimsical appearance. Slice it open with a knife, and you'll discover a translucent juicy orb, glistening like a precious gem, inviting you to take a bite. This delicious flesh is clinging to a single glossy seed, the promise of future generations of rambutan trees. The taste? Sweet, tart, and floral, a symphony of flavors that dance on your tongue. It's often compared to a lychee, but with a bolder, more assertive flavor profile, like a lychee with attitude. The seed is mildly toxic when raw, so it's best not to consume it in its natural state. However, it can be roasted and eaten in some cultures, transforming it into a safe and even nutritious snack. Even the seed's oils are useful, extracted and utilized for various purposes. These oils find their way into traditional soap making and even the creation of natural candles, showcasing the versatility of the rambutan. From the delicate flower to the vibrant fruit and the potential-filled seed, the rambutan is a marvel of tropical efficiency, a testament to the interconnectedness of nature. It's a fruit with flair, a burst of color and flavor that brightens any day. And function, providing sustenance, resources, and a touch of tropical magic. Rambutan thrives in Southeast Asia's heat and humidity, with Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia leading global production. Harvesting is delicate work. Fruits grow in heavy clusters high in the trees, picked by hand or with long poles. Each tree can yield thousands of fruits per season, but rambutans spoil quickly, so speed is key. After harvest, they're sorted, chilled, and shipped worldwide in climate-controlled containers. Thanks to modern logistics, rambutans are now found in markets from Asia to Africa, Central America, and beyond. New cultivars and compact trees make growing and harvesting easier than ever. The rambutan's global journey proves its universal appeal. Rambutan isn't just a delightful and fun treat to eat, it's an absolute powerhouse, packed to the brim with vitamin C, a vital nutrient for overall health and well-being. This spiky superfruit offers a significant boost to your daily intake. And let's not forget the fiber, copper and manganese essential minerals that play key roles in various bodily functions, from energy production to maintaining healthy bones. Just a few of these vibrant fruits can significantly boost your immune system and actively support healthy digestion, keeping your gut happy and functioning smoothly. Eating it is wonderfully simple. Score the vibrant red skin carefully, pop it open with your thumbs, revealing the translucent flesh inside, and enjoy the sweet and juicy flesh. Rambutan truly shines when added to fresh fruit salads, cocktails, lending an exotic touch, desserts, and it's even fantastic when transformed into homemade jams or refreshing sorbets. Here's a fun fact. Rambutan trees are incredibly productive and can continue to bear fruit for well over 20 years, providing a sustainable source of this delicious treat. And yes, monkeys absolutely love to steal them straight from the branches. Further proof that good taste and a love for this amazing fruit is truly universal. With its unique and wild look, coupled with its impressive array of health benefits, Rambutan rightfully earns its title as a true superfood. It's a snack that's not only incredibly good for you, providing essential nutrients and a burst of energy, but also as fun and satisfying to eat, making it a guilt-free pleasure. In Southeast Asia, Rambutan is a symbol of hospitality and abundance, central to local markets and economies. Its rising global popularity is driving more sustainable, eco-friendly farming practices. Rambutan's story is a lesson: don't judge by appearances. Beneath its wild hair lies a sweet, nourishing treasure, reminding us that the best things are often hidden beneath the surface. So next time you see something unusual, remember the rambutan and embrace your curiosity. Celebrate uniqueness, in food and in life. Sometimes the wildest looking things have the most to offer. Go ahead, peel a rambutan and taste the adventure.